All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the blur gallery filter. So let's go into Photoshop, and we're in the 02 blur filter PSD file. So we're going to do File, Save As, and we'll do 03 blur gallery filter. And we'll keep all the content in there the way it is, and we're just going to basically work with this image of this cat right now. So let's click Filter, go to Blur Gallery, and we're going to do Field Blur. Okay? And we can really blur this a lot. Let's do Iris Blur. Okay. Let's hit Cancel, and let's go back in there again just so we can let's see here. Let's go here and there, and then we'll just kind of. So this is pretty much how they did this photo. Like when they blurred it, this is the effect that they were using, where they basically were able to, I'm going to hit delete, they were able to go in here and just, put one. Let's see here. Okay, that's one way to do it. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay, so you got that one. You can also do the iris blur, okay, which, again, that's kind of the effect that they were going for, which, they basically, this is exactly what they did in their image. They grabbed the iris blur and then blurred the crap out of it and just made the kitty the focal point. Now, I blurred it a lot more, but that's pretty much what they did. You can also do tilt shift. Okay, so we can blur more, and we can do path blur. Okay, which that completely distorts the image to where you can't even tell what it is. And then we can do spin blur. Okay, where you can, I can move this over here, let's say, and then I can spin this. And what it's going to do is it's not going to touch the main part here because I don't have him inside of this circle or the iris. So it's not going to mess up the main image. I'm going to hit OK, and there you go. So you can see that this is one way to kind of blur your image. Now, this is kind of all over the place, and you don't want to do that. But let's save this, and then we're going to do Filter, and we'll do Iris Blur, which I pretty much went through all of them as I'm correcting myself in midstream. We basically went through all of these, and I didn't realize it because it was a different menu. So we covered the following here. We covered Field Blur, Iris Blur, Tilt Shift, Path Blur, and Spin Blur. All right, so let's save it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.